Hi, in this session you will learn about how to use case diagrams to capture and analyse requirements for a system, and I'll illustrate and support this with a case study example based on a bookshop. A quick review of what a use case diagram is. It shows the business processes within the system under investigation, the people or organisations or other systems that interact with it, and overall how the system works at a high level. The purpose of a use case diagram is to understand how a system works, also to identify any potential improvements or requirements for a future system, and it also helps to identify the stakeholders, the people who will be using the system. A short digression into the standard approach to business analysis. You would generally start by analysing the current system as is, on the basis that many of the things done at the moment will be carried forward as requirements for a new system. You can then look at any brand new requirements and pull the whole thing together into a single vision or model for a new system. The best approach to business analysis is generally top-down. Start with the higher level view, the big picture, before you drill down into the detail. As you go along, analyse, think, question, and build an understanding of how a business system works and how it might work better in the future. And that is supported by various models, generally diagrams with supporting text that show how a system works and how it might work better in the future. To illustrate all of this, we're now going to return to the case study used in the previous sessions, based on a bookshop that sells new books and a small selection of other items. It sells directly off the shelf to people who walk into the shop, and also takes orders from customers for items that they do not have in stock. Here is the use case diagram that we developed in the previous session, showing at a high level what the bookshop does, the key business processes. 4 use cases: purchasing stock, take orders, sell items, take payments. Imagine that a fact-finding exercise with the stakeholders has revealed these 2 new requirements: organising events such as author readings, signings, maybe talks and so on, and setting up special offers such as discounts, promotions like 2-for-1 offers and so on. And these will need to be included in a new system. We can take forward the requirements shown on the current system use case diagram and then add in any new requirements to the diagram. The requirements organise event can be shown as an additional use case on the diagram, as you can see here. In terms of actors and associations, the bookseller organises the event, and we have 2 new actors: the author, who would present the event, whether it's a talk or a book signing or anything else, and an event sponsor who may support an event, either financially or in some other way. For the requirement set up special offer, I've added a use case here towards the top, and I've assumed for now that the only actor involved with this use case is the bookseller. So I've shown a single association between the two as shown here. So here we have it, a use case diagram for our bookshop, showing at a high level what the new system should do, including some elements of the current system carried forward and some brand new requirements, represented as 6 use cases. In this session, you've learned how to draw a use case diagram to model the requirements for a system, including some elements of the current system carried forward and any new requirements. You now have a solid basis to move forward and conduct more detailed requirements analysis. Thank you for listening.